1, 2, 3.
Mic check. Oh, and what are we doing here? I'll speak for you, but you just move your mouth.
What?
You just move your mouth, and but I'll do the talking. Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Nick. I have a fake 335i.
It's true though. It's fact. I'm slow.
I'm just kidding. Okay, you gotta move your mouth when I talk. Ready? My name is Bryce, and I like commenting big penises on people's Instagram posts.
Not your tongue.
It's true.
Grass.
I'm not sure.
What up, guys?
Wanna join?
Hey, they have air conditioning.
AC
too.
is really.
Bimmer ride out. It's a supercar. That's a nice wide body. Oh, I should probably unlock it, right? Okay, let's go. All right, so we just got the supercar. There's a huge BMW ride out. So many Bimmers. On all sides, so I'm gonna go check out the show.
Oh, you have to censor that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, hey Bimmer. This feels weird being at this supercar.
Yeah,
it doesn't feel normal.
I prefer the other.
Yeah, I like the other one better, but just an opinion.
There's a Ferrari GT.
I think they ran out of room.
Oh.
That's why I think. That's nice. Of course there is. Huh? Beast. Bro, this color is so nice. I don't know why. Blue and orange. Look at that. Look at that, boys. Sniping me. Seriously, you know, like quick of everything. Look at that interior. That's a sick color. Do you think I care?
Oh, that's Joker's.
Yeah.
So nice.
This is a sick wrap though. Carbon fiber hood, and you can see the engine. I think that's sick. Why so serious? Some nice wheels, dude. Those are nice, and so are the ones on there. Gorgeous. Oh, great.
We do have free water at Pandora. So make sure if you like some water, now is the time. You gotta hydrate. Check out my people. And quick shout out to Daniel Acosta. I have your wallet.
What is exhaust is that?
Acosta, I have your wallet, your credit cards. I have everything at the DJ booth.
Nice. It is very bright. Nick, don't touch the car.
Looks like you.
Nick, why are you pouring water on the car?
What?
Looks like you're pouring water on the car.
You're hot. Here, have some water. You know, hang out. We enjoy sitting around like this.
Nice turbo ass. I like that neon accent's pretty sick. Got a Urus over there. There's that Jaguar, that I-Pace, dude. They're coming out with every letter in the alphabet now. Oh, this is the Evo, I'm pretty sure. Oh, ho, ho. This is a new Lambo Evo. Huracan Evo. Very nice. Got a sick lineup of SVJs here. I love this matte paint. That's a nice color from the factory. Huge carbon fiber diffuser. Another Huracan Evo.
Really weird looking one. Maybe.
Could be the color. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, so this one has like a different color. Not whatever, that's not even glass, but that one has glass right over there. I think, yeah, and they're just Lambo stuff. Cool. Money, money, money.
Money, money, money. Absolutely not. 38 minutes to...
Entertainment here.
No.
This is like a Miami blue Porsche color, but it's on the McLaren. Looks really nice. A lot of carbon. Oh man, the whole headlight's carbon fiber. That's sick. V12. That's V12.
Gotta get that.
V12.
It's an F12.
V12.
It's an F12.
Engine's bigger than half the car.
This is like my favorite car.
Yeah, I know. This engine's retarded. Uptolls are so nice though. Thick. New NSX, new R8. All new cars here because it's Supercar Saturday. And it's Florida. Nice old Rari. No clue what kind that is.
I think it's...
Anyone know?
No, I don't want it. I don't want to embarrass myself, but I have it on Forza.
Come on. If it's wrong, it's not like anyone watches my videos anyway. I just have 3 million subs.
I think it's in the
3 million. New GTR. Huh. No, you are stuck in here. We are gonna take your car. There's a nice car, man. I am hilarious. Not.
Shit was nice.
You should charge him to move that cone.
I wanted to touch it.
Should ask them for a ride to move it.
Yeah, I'll move it. Just give me $10. Yeah, you rolling?
Yeah.
I will stop it.
Okay. That is hilarious. Nice Cobras. Ooh. Oh, GT3 RS. I thought this was the Turbo S exclusive, but it wasn't in that gold color, so I wasn't too sure. Nice. Nice color, the bronze wheel.
Very nice.
Very nice. Very monies. Very monies. Very monies. Well engineered. Yo, look how sick that is. SVJ.
How about the SVJ?
Yeah, come on.
No, not that.
We're not in Boca anymore. What are we doing here? Really? Really now? Right here. Is that an MBCS? Oh no, competition. Oh, dining. Interesting. Nice Vorsteiner wheels. Yacht. Yeah, Nick, get that Instagram. Bryce, you need to get lit. Hey, Nick, your car's here.
Where? Lit. Yeah, I parked it right there.
Alright guys, so we are heading out because it's super hot here. And I haven't posted in a while, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching though. We're out of here, Supercar Saturday, and I'll see you next time. Peace.